Okay, now let me introduce you to some of the components outside the electrical control cabinet of the REXON TYA series oil purifier. This is a pointer pressure gauge, this is also a pointer pressure gauge, and this is a pointer vacuum gauge. The first pointer pressure gauge monitors the pressure inside the secondary filter canister, and the middle pointer pressure gauge monitors the pressure inside the tertiary filter canister. This allows us to visually monitor the pressure inside the filter canister on the electrical control cabinet, allowing us to determine whether the filter element needs replacement. The third pointer vacuum gauge monitors the vacuum level inside the vacuum tank. This is a domestically produced PLC display and operation panel, along with the control switches below. These are the power switch, power indicator, vacuum pump start switch and indicator, oil pump switch and indicator, heater indicator, heater switch, alarm indicator, emergency stop switch, and the buzzer warning light above. These are all the components outside the electrical control cabinet.